students, grade 4. Good morning. How are you today? I hope you are fine, safe, and healthy today. Same with Miss Happy also here. I'm fine, safe, and healthy too. Welcome back to our class today, to this Google Classroom. And I'm really happy today because I can share this video to all of you so we can learn together to continue our lesson. Well, last week you had got your daily test. And I've seen here your score are good and very good. So, good luck for you. And congratulations for you. You had got a good score. Now, today we are going to continue our lessons and we will learn about Unit 2. Okay, it is talk about the living thing in their environment. Okay. The living thing can be plants, humans, animals, microorganisms that live in their environment. Okay. While before we have ever talked also about the living and non-living things and what are their characteristics. So now we will talk about the living things in their environment. Okay. Before Miss Happy explain more about this topic, let us know first what is environment. Okay, an environment is where human, animals, plants live. Environment can be, for example, like forest, desert, mountains, what else? Seas, and many more. Okay. So, the environment which the animal, the plants, the humans, or the non-living things live is also called as a habitat. Okay, habitat itu in Indonesia tempat tinggal. Okay, habitat. Okay, habitat is also called as a home. Okay, as a home. Okay, as a home or a place to live. So habitat is a place to live. Okay, so organisms like humans, animals, plants, microorganisms are live in a habitat. Okay, besides human, animals, and plants and microorganisms, there are also other non-living things that live in the habitat that the living things need to survive. Okay, for example, like air, water, soil, light, what else? Rock, maybe. Well, habitat can be divided into two. Habitat can be big and can be small. Okay, habitat can be big habitat or can be small habitat. What are the example of the big habitat? For example, like oceans, sea, rivers, lakes, desert, forest, and many more. While small habitat, for example, like pond, tree, or even under a rock. Different animals can be live in a different habitat. Okay, for example, a frog. Okay, according to you, which one is the better habitat for a frog? Is it in the oceans, in the rivers, in the sea, in the pond, in the tree, or underground rock? Yeah, the suitable place or the suitable habitat for a frog is in the pond. Okay, it means that different animals live in different habitat. It's impossible for a frog live in the poles, di kutub. Yeah, so the frog live in the pond. Next, for example, again, tiger. Okay, which habitat is suitable to the tiger? Is it in the ocean, in the rivers, or in the forest? Which one is the suitable habitat for the tiger? In the ocean, in the rivers, or in the forest? Yeah, very good. It's better for the tiger live in the forest. Sometimes animals or living things can build an unbelievable or incredible homes, okay, by doing some amazing ways. For example, like cathedral termites. What happened to the cathedral termites? Yeah, cathedral termites, they can make their habitat like a towers. Okay, like a tower. Okay, they can make it from the mud, from the saliva. Well, just now Miss Happy already explained to all of you what is habitat, what are some example of habitat, different living things that live in the different habitats, and you should know the most important thing. You should know that the habitat is very important for all the living things. So we should know how to take care of the habitat, even that is not our habitat, but the other living things habitat. We should know how to take care of them. What should we do so the habitat will not destroy? Apa yang harus kita lakukan untuk menjaga tempat tinggal kita atau tempat hidup makhluk hidup itu supaya tidak rusak? Okay, here are some rules. For example, okay, the rules for looking at habitats: always treat living things with care. Always treat living things with care. Do not damage the habitat. Okay, next, always return animals to their habitat. There are many ways to take care of habitat, to take care of our environments. And here you can mention habitats by not dump or throw our rubbish into their habitat. Okay, any else? Okay, reuse, reduce, recycling also help us to take care of the habitat or to take care of our environment. Remember that by using less water, using the electricity wisely, it is also help our habitat or our environment stay still. Okay, that is for the explanation for today. Okay, before Miss Happy give you one more activity, Miss Happy review a little about our lesson today. The first one is the habitat. What is habitat? Yeah, a place to live or place where living things live. Habitat can be big, can be small. Just now you already know some example of big habitat and some example of small habitat. Next, different animals live in different habitats. Okay, then how we should take care of our habitat or our environment as well. Miss Happy also will give you a summary for you to write in the notebook. So Miss Happy will capture the summary to you and you have to write it only into your notebook. So in the next daily test, you can also read the summary from your notebook. Thank you for today. I hope you can enjoy and see you in our next meet. Stay healthy, guys. Bye.